Doesn't this have Cantonese pronunciation now?
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔，而家開始點名，聽到自己個名嘅就舉高隻肉球嗌到。
That's rough. Okay, we will try this.
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔。
夠鐘上堂 Fuck, immediately
夠
terrible.
鐘上堂啦各
Oh, it's Jung for one thing.
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔。
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 狗仔。夠鐘上堂 First bit, I can't do the Jung. Why can't I do the Jung?
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔。
夠鐘 My brain doesn't want to do it today. 夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔。
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔。
Why is that Zai and the first one's Jung? Okay. Cantonese is a lot harder for me than Mandarin.
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔。
夠鐘上堂啦 La, it's La, not lie.
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔。
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔。Okay, I got the first bit.
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔，而家開始點名。
而家開始點名 Is it 點名 or 點名？
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔，而家開始點名。
而家開始點名 Oh God, I can't do that either. My stupid British tongue.
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔，而家開始點名。
而家開始點名 That one's a lot easier. Okay. It's pronounced more like a J a lot of the time. It shouldn't make a huge difference though. Okay. That second sentence is a lot easier.
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔，而家開始點名。聽到自己個名嘅就舉高隻肉球嗌到。
Oh, that final one is all one sentence. That's terrifying. Okay.
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔。
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔。而家開點名 No, 而家開始點名 Fuck, shit. I missed a word.
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔，而家開始點名。聽到自己個名嘅就舉高隻肉球嗌到。
No, okay, I'm saving this for later. 聽到自己個名嘅就舉高隻球嗌到。Oh God.
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔。
夠鐘上堂啦各位狗仔。For Cantonese, I mostly know swear words. Because of growing up in Southeast London, which is absolutely full of people from Hong Kong, I learned a lot of Cantonese swear words while growing up. So, cover your ears if you don't want to hear some Cantonese swear words. I do know some bad ones. Put guy, Dilne Lomo, and then the other ones I think are pretty dangerous. But yeah, it's like, Put guy, Dilne Lomo. Sente can't Onis. How dare. That's how like my friends always said it. It was never just Pokai. It was always Pokai. It was always like the exclamation at the end. I know the actual thing is just Pokai. But yeah, they always added like a Pokai. Con hơi phát choi.